You're watching Nappicast by Jason Nappy. Weather, sun to clouds today. We'll miss out on a little mini storm to our south tonight. I want to thank you, our sponsor, Wakeham Lawn Care, proudly serving Scarborough to the Kennebunks with 50 years experience. With attention to detail, we have options for everyone. Call 899-8691 for a free quote. Thank you for being our sponsor today. I appreciate that so much. Let's get into the forecast now. We've got a storm coming for the weekend, but first, a look at temperatures across the state, where it is cooler north, 20s, mid 30s as you head south, and then you got a light breeze out of the northeast here where it's mid 40s down southern coast here. So you're going to see clouds roll in, and things are going to begin to change here. Right now, though, up in the county, it is a clear blue sky. No clouds there just yet. In Sanford, clouds have come in. Those are from the south and west. Bethel, starting to see those clouds come in. You get a little bit of a milky sky. And then up in Greenville, heading up towards Katahdin region, seeing those high clouds come in. So cirrus clouds. Eventually, we'll get the stratus, cloud deck to kind of lower. And that'll be the forecast today, as things are just going to stay cloudy. They're not going to be stormy, okay? So the storm doesn't get here until the weekend. And here is that storm popping up right now. So you've got rain coming in Sunday afternoon into Monday. I've slowed it down here. This is 10, 11, midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning, Monday, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning. So there's a good, steady, light rain coming. This is not going to be a major storm, but there will be some impacts. And that storm gets out of here Monday night into Tuesday. Okay, you see that drying coming in from the west. So let's go ahead and bring that up now. And I want to show you that in more detail the next 2 days. Okay, so this is not going to be any storm of any magnitude at all for Thursday or Friday. Same thing for tonight into Thursday. I will point out, though, seeing the eclipse Thursday is going to be a problem. Okay, Thursday to Friday, because we're going to have a mostly cloudy sky. Here's the precip this evening. This is staying in New Hampshire and Vermont. It does not really make it to Maine. I could see a few, kind of snowflakes, a few flurries over towards Freiburg, southern Oxford County. But overall, we stay dry tonight. We do cloud up considerably, though, into the day tomorrow. So you're not going to see any precip here in the hour-by-hour forecast into your Thursday night. There's a few snow showers up the Boundary Plateau up in the county. I don't expect much in the way of accumulation from this. And then into Friday morning, when we got the eclipse going on, that's when we're going to have a bunch of clouds. Let me clear out. So it's cloudy and warmer on your late Wednesday into your Thursday. Foggy with light, steady rain later this weekend. And then that's going to bring up an ice jam flooding threat. And the risk goes up anytime you raise the dew point and you start to raise the temperature. We've got ice obviously in the rivers. Clouds and stars tonight from your Wednesday to Thursday time frame, waking up tomorrow morning to low single digits. Mountains, inland coast, we're going to be below freezing. We're getting close to that full moon. Light wind. Tomorrow on your Thursday, mostly cloudy. There'll be a few peaks of sun, but overall clouds are around. Wind is east and southeast. Temperatures do get above freezing pretty much statewide, just about, with that 35 plus in the mountains. For the mariners, at most, it'd be a small craft, but the wind is pretty light. And then for your Thursday, once again, at most a small craft, wind is like east and northeast light, around 10 knots. Here's the forecast the next 10 days, a new 10-day forecast, the only one in Maine that I just made. Mostly cloudy, 35 Thursday, 48 and 52. So look at the big warm-up. This is in the mountains. This is not the coastline or inland. This is the mountains getting mid-50s as we get that storm to come in Sunday to Monday. And it's light, steady rain. It's not going to be a heavy rain situation at all. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, 44, 52. Well, just a brief cool down a little bit. Then we warm back up to 50. And then some rain and snow mixes in for late next weekend. I do not expect that to be a significant storm at this time. Thursday, Friday, inland, we go 41 to 51. Then we go to 57. So we get close to 60 on Sunday. Showers are light and steady. And then we get the sun come in mixed with clouds Tuesday, Wednesday before rain showers come in. It's really late next weekend. I don't expect much in the way of frozen precip inland. So there is your spring preview, right? actually getting into officially spring by way of the calendar by the middle to latter part of next week. I'll go ahead and I'll throw a tulip on there on the 10-day forecast that, at some point here, maybe tomorrow I'll update that for the first day of spring, obviously by way of the calendar. Meteorologically speaking, we are already in spring because the weather patterns are changed. They change sooner than the calendar does. So that's why you're seeing these temperatures get pretty warm, because we're technically in meteorological spring right now. It's going to feel like it for the weekend, and then next week still feels like spring, early spring at that, but 40s and 50s. These are temperatures that are more like April than they are for March. Typical high this time of the year is right around 39, 40. So you get the idea. We are warmer. Thank you for watching Jason Nappy Weather. The latest forecast is available on Nappicast.com. Go ahead and check that out. For anywhere you live, make sure location is turned on.